Mr. Candiles sent it to learn English. English for All channel. Subscribe to my channel to get my recent videos on English language skills. Don't forget to like the video, because it definitely helps. Let's learn conversation from scratch. Practice makes perfection. Practice and progress. Time expressions and seasons. English speaking basics. I gotta. Plus, verb. I gotta is grammatically incorrect. It is more of a spoken form. If you want to say this with proper grammar, the equivalent would be I have got to, or I've got to. In the spoken form, got to is shortened to gotta, and the word have is dropped. I gotta expresses something that needs to be done in the near future. Here are some examples. I gotta clean my house today. I gotta obey the laws. I gotta move to a bigger house. I gotta impress my boss. I gotta brush my teeth. Vocabulary. Time expressions and seasons. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday evening. Last night. This morning. This afternoon. This evening. Tonight. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night. Last week. This week. Next week. Once a week. Twice a week. 3 times a week. Every day. Seasons. Spring. Summer. Fall. Autumn. Winter. Yesterday. Today. Tomorrow. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon. Yesterday evening. Last night. This morning. This afternoon. This evening. Tonight. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow night. Last week. This week. Next week. Once a week. Twice a week. 3 times a week. Every day. Seasons. Spring. Summer. Fall. Autumn. Winter. Listen and practice the conversations. Listen to these conversations, and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish. What did you do yesterday morning? What did you do yesterday morning? I ate my breakfast yesterday morning. What did you do yesterday afternoon? What did you do yesterday afternoon? I swam in the pool yesterday afternoon. What did you do yesterday evening? What did you do yesterday evening? I came back home yesterday evening. What did you do last night? What did you do last night? I went to a concert last night. What are you going to do tomorrow morning? What are you going to do tomorrow morning? I'm going to go to school tomorrow morning. What are you going to do tomorrow afternoon? What are you going to do tomorrow afternoon? I'm going to ride my bike tomorrow afternoon. What are you going to do tomorrow evening? What are you going to do tomorrow evening? I'm going to do my homework tomorrow evening. What are you going to do tomorrow night? What are you going to do tomorrow night? I'm going to have a party tomorrow night. What did you do last week? What did you do last week? I went on vacation last week. What are your plans for next week? What are your plans for next week? I'm planning to go to a movie next week. How many times a week do you have English class? How many times a week do you have English class? I have English class 3 times a week. How many times a week do you go to the supermarket? How many times a week do you go to the supermarket? I go to the supermarket twice a week. How many times a week do you exercise? How many times a week do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring.